Podcast Bites.
What's the best source for people who may not be in science but are interested in the research? What's the best, layperson's guide or
when I Google articles, and you can see a lot of articles showing up in Google, and then if I look for if they don't have any footnotes, I throw it away. I'm not interested. Mm-hmm. If they have footnotes and they quote references that I can find in PubMed, okay, then I think it's useful. If they can't quote any footnotes that reference a study in PubMed, I throw it away. And the PubMed.gov is a searchable database for any of us. We can go to PubMed.gov, type in your areas of interest, so like microbiome and your disease state of interest. You'll see that there's lots of research, and you can sort of scan through. You could look for review articles with your topics. That will give you a high-level discussion.
It seems like the internet mostly deals with low-level discussions, but and actually you can kind of see that showing up in what's happened to ancestral health over the years. It seems like a lot of people have kind of missed the deeper conversations, the deeper exploration of what this all means. Instead, people are just like, I'm carnivore now, or I'm keto, or whatever. But like, how can we be a little bit more responsible with this in a world that tempts us to be otherwise?
Well, people, we have a lot of time pressure, so we always want to go to the shortest, easiest answer. And we're always going to be fighting that. My response is you'll want to look for scientific studies to explore and investigate and understand the mechanisms. It's a slower, more painful process, but if we're going to have forward progress, that's what's going to be required. And to that end, we have this amazing resource, PubMed.gov, that you can set up alerts to monitor the particular areas that you're interested in. And if you have a particular question, again, you could put in your terms of interest, and you could add in review or clinical trial to investigate this further. It really is the best way to get reliably sourced information.
Avocado, motherfucker.